thought you'd be the kind of guy to get a day job. 9 to 5, you're gonna take off. You're gonna
Hello
go
guys,
against
welcome back to my channel. It's Kenzie if you're new here. Today I am making nut milk. It sounds so weird, but I am super sick of drinking milkademia. I like it, but I'm ready for a change, you know? Got a big bag of almonds from Costco, and we have whatever the a cheesecloth is, and we're gonna make some homemade almond milk. So it's a 2-day process, but it's super simple. I just have to soak these almonds first, and then we like blend them, I think. Hello. Okay, I feel like I should look up. This video is inspired fully by Emma Chamberlain. She like did a bunch of homemade nut milks. I think she did 3 different types, but I only have almonds because I'm at college. I do have a bag of macadamias, but I have 3 things of macadamia milk, so I feel like that's kind of redundant. We could try it with pistachios. Never mind. I have like 1/3 of a cup of pistachios, so. Okay, I'm thankful for Pinterest recipes, but why do they have to tell me their whole life story before they tell me what I need? It asks for a glass bowl. I don't have a glass bowl big enough, but I do have this tea strainer thing that's glass. So we'll use that. I just need a cup of almonds. Oh, fuck. Can't I just freaking keep my almonds? Here's my almonds. And then it doesn't say how much water, so I'm just gonna put a lot of water. Well, sure. Here's what it looks like. Kind of confused. Why are some of them floating? Is it like fish? Are these like bad almonds? Like dead? I don't know. 8 to 24 hours. What time is it right now? It's 3:40. So I'm gonna set a timer for 8 hours from now. That's 10:40. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys at 10:40 when I have absolutely no light, and we're gonna make almond milk. We're back. So my almonds literally look like dirty swamp water, which is cute. We're gonna strain this water. Okay, that really smells terrible. I made some vegan cookies in the air fryer. They're cooling right now because I thought, what better way to test milk than with cookies? So it says to do 1 cup of nuts and 4 cups of filtered water, but I have this small blender, which is probably only gonna fit like 1/4 of that. So we're gonna have to do this in like 4 parts. I'm gonna put everything into this big bowl. 3 cups of water, 4 cups of water. I'm gonna add some New Naturals vanilla stevia syrup. I have some vanilla extract. Trader Joe's vanilla bean paste. This stuff is incredible.
I'm gonna break my teeth.
This looks so weird. So I'm gonna take my blender, 1/4 cup of nuts. Yeah, we're gonna do that much because sometimes my blender has a hard time. Let's go, almond milk, baby. Oh, of course it doesn't start. This did something. It's frothy. All right. I mean, it smells okay. And milk it like a cow's titty. Of course my blender would die on me while I'm in the middle of batches. Of course it would happen to me. Should I have charged my blender? Yes. Did I? No. Did anybody want to tell me that the bottom unscrews? No? I mean, we got like 3/4 of the oat milk. Oat milk? Why do I keep saying oat milk? It's fucking almond milk. Oh my god, I'm not gonna show my toes, but I literally vomit on the floor. Since when do you unscrew? All right, here's our end goal. Honestly, I'm kind of feeling defeated because this was so easy until it wasn't. So that's on me. But let's try this freaking almond milk. Honestly pretty good. It's like a 6 out of 10. It's not super creamy. It really just tastes like flavored water, but like it's not bad. I'm not mad at it. Would I do it again? No. Let's try it with our cookie though. Oh, I just put my cheek.